one.
We're dealing with these guys on the right.
Oh, Cam.
Guy's about to get his boy back. He's in blue building.
He's broken. I didn't have enough ammo. Two of them in that room.
Killed
If they
one.
survive, they can redeploy.
I got one.
Nice. All dead.
Alright, regroup
Okay,
and get
who
ready
marked
for
green
red.
and why? Denzel, why'd you mark green?
Wish I could get one.
Well, hang on, no. Before you do that, to make sure
On the
Cam gets back.
Oh yeah. I think you said where is it at?
Enemy UAV overhead. Your teammates
way.
done in. They're returning to base.
He
You
told me to
missed.
wait.
Oh, he had his boy.
Cam, you
Get
got
him with the
him?
rocks.
Yeah, he had a buddy in there with the gulag.
Oh, dude, what? You shot inside here.
Am I right? Dead. Far.
They're gonna go pick up their boy.
Push,
Yeah, he's
push to
picking
the
up his
right.
boy.
Push to the right. Fucking shot.
I killed old girl
Nope.
in here.
47 meters in front, on the wall.
Push, hang on.
Right in front of me. On the wall, the bank. He's sitting in that corner.
Oh, no, there's another team. Jesus Christ, a whole fucking other team. There's 3 out there.
Contact!
Flank from the left of the wall.
Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy.
He's broken right out front. Right out front of the parking lot.
He's slow. He's doing alright.
I'm getting sniped from downtown.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Gas. Get in circle.
Gas is inbound. Marking you safe zone.
Oh my gosh.
Shooting at Cameron?
I think so. I friggin' heard. I forgot.
So,
Well, cause I forgot that he's a freaking girl operator,
Welcome to the gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom.
and that dude's still sniping out there.
Mike's
So
ready.
yeah, you can't. Jesus Christ.
Boom! Back to the front line. You've earned it.
I was trying to get me a run for my money.
Fly it.
Oh,
no!
way!
Your
D5.
teammates done in. They're returning
Fly,
to
baby,
base.
fly!
Sneaked up on.
Oh
It's all up
gosh.
to you now. Go for the win.
Yeah, they're 2 different things.
Cam, you ready?
Here, gonna need.
Contract complete. Your payment has been authorized.
Just came in front of me.
What? It's Captain Communism. You getting blasted?
Yep, it's disabled. Oh my god. Keep going. Left.
These are his final moments.
Time's running out. Get to the target area.
Say bye-bye.
Guns on on me right now.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Who died?
D.
Got it. Oscar Mike.
There's a team down that hill. One sniping.
Everyone get free
One in the
time.
long building too.
What? Come Come on, dude.
Allied.
Plates.
No fucking way, man.
Let's come back, come back. Oh shit.
Fire sale done. Prices are back to
I
normal.
got it. UAV.
No!
I thought we had, didn't we have enough money to?
I literally clicked on it when it said free and then it ended.
Great, everybody's on us. Like those 3 Berthas.
Oh my god, it's a whole squad.
If I can get my loadout, I got C4s.
As you can see, the wild Berthas.
Homing in the Amazon.
Oh, he's gonna get ran over.
In the,
in their natural
Got
habitat.
gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
full of sweat.
On the move.
I'm getting the big gun. The big gun. Just because you
Ghost
have
USA?
a big gun doesn't mean you are the big gun.
He's in Bertha. Or no, he's in the Jeep, but there's a Bertha following him.
And I got Strela.
Ooh.
What?
You've got gas
Jeep
moving
comes up
in.
here, you blast that
One
Jeep.
ping here.
Hey,
one
what's
ping here.
everyone's
Repositioning.
plate situation?
I'm good. I got
Full
one
and I
extra.
got plates.
We got
I
2
got-
Berthas down the hill and a Jeep.
All right.
You better get that Strela ready.
Oh,
Wait.
Blast that Bertha.
you got it.
Watch out! Watch out! He's dropping in.
Got him. Oh, on me, what the hell?
Oh, dude.
On me, what the hell?
Got 2 down. Got 2 down. 2 down.
No, get away from me. I'm about to get ran over. No, get away from me. Holy shit, run!
Blast that motherfucker!
Yeah! Get down the guy! Holy shit!
Did the bot just save the day, or did the bot just save the day, bro? Or did the bot just save the day, bro?
Bro, tap me.
Just kill 3 dudes.
Take the
Get him,
pain,
get him.
you're fine.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Body armor here.
Find what you need and get ready for the next round.
God dang, 6.
That was insane.
There's Satchel out here?
Somebody clip that and send
You already
it to
got
me
one.
so I can show Bowen tomorrow.
No, I'm telling them.
What?
There's Satchels.
In the
Happy
woods.
woods.
There, right there.
Hostile.
Let me get closer.
Broke him.
Alright.
I got sniped.
Lower.
Straight ahead. What the
Gas
hell?
is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
See that instant replay. Yeah, there's another team straight ahead of you, right behind where that guy was running around. Yep,
Really?
right there. Get behind. Get behind.
Did you mark him?
No. I
He's
don't have
over.
time.
He's right here.
Your
On blue.
waypoint. Copy.
Push down to your right. Reload. Get to those houses as quick as you can. Plate up, John.
Losing ground.
Cameron. To your left. To your left. Go to your left.
Run, get to the zone.
Wait for D. You're not gonna be able to challenge these guys by yourself.
I know. I'm just getting over here.
He's watching you.
To your left. To your left. In the cubbies.
Sniper.
D to your right. They're on Cameron.
What boat?
Crossing open.
No one's still sniping up top.
He's broke. Somebody's gonna
Only
pick him
4
up.
enemies remain. You know what to do.
Third party down. 30 meters straight ahead of me.
One in the cubby. Right there in front of you.
3 guys.
Two on your left. Right there in the woods. Bro, you better mount and light them up. Everybody's in front of you. Everybody's in front of you. Right. Oh my Jesus.
Nice win.
Nice.
Hey, oh my gosh. That's what I'm talking about, bro.